Get into the 2023 Honda Accord. Prepare to be amazed by the Accord. This midsize sedan offers state-of-the-art safety and connectivity technology, a quiet, comfortable ride, elegant styling, a spacious interior, and powerful performance. It's simply perfect. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls. It's time you treated yourself to the best. This Honda Accord is waiting. Come in and drive it today.